Welcome to Activity 28. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with two part bonds of 10. Each player will need approximately 10 counters in a different colour. The aim of the game is to be the first player to place 3 counters consecutively, either in a row going horizontally across, in a column going vertically up and down, or in a diagonal in either that direction or that direction. I have Karis here joining me.
Hello.
You can go first.
Okay. 4.
Now, when you spin a 4, you don't look for a 4. You actually look for the part that joins with 4 or bonds with 4 to make 10.
So I look for a 6 because 4 and 6 is 10.
Well done, and that's what you say. 4 and 6 is 10. I get a 7, so I look for a 3 and say 7 and 3 is 10.
6. 6 and 4 is 10.
Oh, I thought you were going to go there, but that's even better because you blocked me. Now, if a student requires additional support, for example, when they spin the 3, they place the whole of 10 on the frame and the part in the part section, they've spun 3. So you place the 3 block and then you place the block that joins with it to build 10. So I spun 3, so I look for a 7 and then I say 3 and 7 is 10. Now you've seen us play, it's your turn.